Just got home just a little while ago. I prepped a little bit, the normal stuff of life, like a little bit of food and that kind of thing. But I think it's time for us to go back into fixing a bathroom so we can get it done pretty quickly. We're going to be having family come here in just a few weeks, and I want to make sure everything is good to go. But let's see where we get to today. All right, so after we finished up with placing this, my wife has been taking off the floor of where the toilet was, and apparently there was quite a bit of a leak on there. And as you can see, it had gone all the way underneath where the sink was. So we're taking all that plywood out and want to see how the subflooring is. I'm guessing the subflooring is not going to be too horrible, but We'll see. We might have to replace part of it. I disconnected the pipe that went down there. I disconnected all the pipes that will go to the basement. So all we need to do is take out this floor and this wall and this wall and this light and the switches, and then start building a little bit more. Rotten around there, and let me zoom out or zoom in a little bit. It's gotten pretty rotten out there, and so we cut them all out. But this, even though it looks a little bit black, it's not soft, so it was just a tad bit wet. I'm gonna let it dry because we moved here about 9 months ago, and the floor was not swollen at all. And so I'm guessing at some point it got a bit more loose and water started coming out. And because of that, it started getting wet. So it hasn't been getting wet for more than maybe a couple of months. But I just want to make sure, because some of it looked like it has been wet for a very long time. Also, the very center of it, because it was really wet and moldy on the underneath and on the top. So anyway, that's where we are. Have a hole here, and well, this one is covered currently, but a hole right there. Alright, so we ended up getting really close to putting the toilet down, so I'm going to show you what we've done. See at the bottom, we replaced the wood with new wood. I ended up moving the toilet over, drew all around. I dry fit the back, give it about an inch worth, because I know it's going to be at least a quarter, if not a little bit thicker, after we put the tile in the back. And then there's a little bit of give here and there just to make sure we have extra, and I can always put something in the back to make up the difference. But here in a second, I'm going to be cutting through here, and then I'm going to be bringing the hardy backer, which, if I'm not mistaken, this is exactly 5 feet, and the hardy backer is 3 by 5, so it'll fit just right. And then I'll go underneath, and I'm going to mark the hole there that I'm cutting, so then I can go over that. And then I'm gonna just most likely just put the hardy backer on. So let's see how that goes. Yep.
Nice. Looks so clean too. Especially compared to black stuff.
Just need to put screws on there now.
Do we do that now?
Yeah. Huh. Because I can always take them off later. What is it, 6 screws?
7 looks like.